Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Simply Shrija. Today in this video, we have come to visit one of the biggest and cheapest nurseries in Bangalore. This nursery is located near Dodballapur, near Yelahanka, Bangalore. This is a nursery with more than 3 polyhouses and it is almost 40 years old. And this place has lot of plants, both indoor as well as outdoor plants. I got to see most of the varieties of golden pothos, marble queen and neon pothos, and you can see here this is one of the rarest ficus plant which is bonsai that they have done. This almost cost around 4,000 here, but this is really huge and this can fill up a nice terrace space with its all magnanimity. This plant was not for sale, they had just kept it. You can see lot of varieties of plants here. We'll move on to most of the colored plants here. They have huge collection. You can choose from all the varieties. See these succulents, they had lot of propagated plants, and this is a bed of pothos. It is looking so beautiful, and I could see all the neon pothos as well as marble queen. I was supposed to buy this marble queen and I got 2 plants from here. They had huge collection of coleus as well. See this beautiful foliage, such a nice color, and lot of aroid plants. If you are aroid addict, you must definitely visit this place. I'm going to show you in this video. Here you can see all the 3 varieties of Trasidentia. You can see these beautiful foliage, and this plant is very easy to propagate. If you want to buy, it was almost 40 rupees here, and I got all the 3 varieties. See the color pattern, it was really beautiful to watch. This is all Euphorbia milli here. You can see these beautiful pinkish flowers. Euphorbia milli is also a very low maintenance plant, very easy to propagate as well. If you want to buy these plants, definitely it's a must visit place. Now you can see the overall look of the polyhouse, such a huge one. This is just one polyhouse. I forgot to mention this farm or the nursery is called as Ram & Sons. They have really good collection. You can see these beautiful red colored plants here. These are all seasonal plants. If you are a person who loves seasonal plants, you can see you can get a lot of variety here. But I'm not a very huge fan of seasonal plants because it hurts when the season ends, and it is somewhat I'm not very good at maintaining these seasonal plants. So I'm yet to try these in my home garden. It was freshly repotted plants. You can see the collection here. If you are a fan of philodendrons, you should definitely go here. Most of the varieties are available here. We'll see the next set of plants. These are all syngoniums. You can see the all varieties of syngonium here. This is pink splash. such huge collection. They were giving it around 50 rupees for these plants here. So very nice to visit and get these plants. And these crotons and philodendron heartleaf. See the collection, like all dumb cane varieties were there. This is just one polyhouse, and these are all propagated ones here. They have different polyhouse for all mother plants from where they source their other daughter plants. See the lush green varieties. Foliage plants are huge, and we were getting them at around 150 to 200 rupees for these plants here. And they also had lot of varieties in areca palm, and you can see the sansevieria varieties, but only one variety that I couldn't find here was moonshine, but I sourced it from a local nursery here in Yelahanka. See, all the varieties of ficus were also there. I got 2 plants. These were almost like 1 foot tall, and they were coming at a price of 100 rupees. It was really cheap to get all these plants and care for them. So we will see the next polyhouse after this. This is just one polyhouse that I am showing. Next, they had lot of varieties in coleus. Coleus is a very needy plant. It generally requires a lot of water and care, but very easy to propagate. And there is a they tell that there are around 300 to 400 varieties of coleus in India, and it is very nice to have them. So approximately I got 8 varieties of coleus from this nursery, and most of them were coming at a price of 25 rupees. If they are potted once, not the bag, then they were coming at a price of 60 rupees. See these coleus, so nice, colorful and huge. I really liked this collection. It's so nice to have such pinkish greenish shade in your garden, right? So definitely you should visit this place. See the bed of crotons, and they had all the new varieties of philodendrons also. So if you like hanging plants and other philodendrons, you should definitely visit this place. You can see the varieties of areca here. Very nice collection. And most of the Dracaena and Song of India. They were like huge trees, like Song of India plants were there, from where they generally get. I think these are the ferns. Very nice collection. And hibiscus. They also had lot of varieties in lotus. See such huge collection here. These were all outdoor, not in the polyhouse. See coleus, such yellow and pink. I really like them. We are coming to the next polyhouse here. It had rained that day, so like lot of like it was muddy, but the plant collection really kept us busy. and we enjoyed a lot. Here you can see my daughter struggling to walk and through the muddy nursery. But see the leaf size and colorful foliage of the all arioids. Alocasia varieties were there, variegated ones, huge plants. You can see the leaf size, looks so beautiful. If you have a huge terrace, these plants will decorate them like so beautifully. See this plant, it was huge. You can see almost the height of the polyhouse. All varieties of Maranta and Dieffenbachia were there here. A lot of new plants for me. Most of the Monstera varieties. Variegated ones were still under propagation, so we couldn't get the Alba variety also of Monstera here. Overall, a must visit place, and if you have any queries, please leave them down in the comment box. I will definitely answer them. See the ZZ. Only Raven variety was not there, other varieties were there. So guys, hope you like this video and this nursery as well. You can see this, and if you really want to visit this place, I definitely recommend. Thanks for watching. Please share this video and enjoy the rest of the video. Take care. Bye.